Hey YouTube, what's going on? Justin from H3D Prints here with you. Wanted to do an actual 3D printing video today. Gonna try to do the design. I'll see how it comes out in post-processing. The computer I have won't allow me to do video and use Fusion. It can barely run Fusion as is. So we'll see what happens. I'll see if I can just record it with the camera and have you stuck somewhere so you can see the screen. If it works, then cool. If not, then maybe I'll just use little pieces of it. We're going to design a camera mount for my truck because I don't want to either bolt something on or stick something to the dash. I want to see if I can just make something that'll hold itself in place and be able to mount the camera and also be able to take the camera on and off quickly and easily. So let's get into it. We're going to use a 3D X-Tech carbon fiber nylon, and we'll go and design it, run out to the truck, take some measurements, do a quickie sketch, and then we'll get going. So first thing, I've had the nylon stuck in an old food dehydrator I had that was broken. Works perfect for this all night, so it's been in there most of the night. And then when me and my wife first got married, we had this toaster oven that's been stuck in the garage. Throw it in here. Oh, baked toast, 200 degrees, and you just mat it. So that'll sit in there and cook while we go do measurements. And then we'll get design. Y'all good with that, kitty? You good with that? Yeah? Meow? Okay, so Tootsie says she's good. So I'll get some paper and some stuff we need, and then we'll head out to the truck. I'll meet you all there. Okay, so we're sitting out here in the truck now. What I'm thinking is to make the mount so it'll fit under this piece. You can see there's space under it. So it'll sit over the top. It'll have a piece that'll come down under this piece and then also sit on top of this. So then the camera can sit here. I'm going to make it so it's two pieces, so the part that goes in here can stay, and then there'll be the part that the GoPro will mount to. I can just actually take off, then either unattach it from that, or I might make a base for my tripod / selfie stick and make it so it'll just go straight onto there, and then I can use it from there. I'll see how it works after I make the first one and see if I want to go that far, or it'll just be two pieces I can take on and off. The reason it's two pieces, I can either rotate it around or face it forward, so I can do like hyperlapse out the front or whatever. So I'll get you guys set up somewhere in here so you can watch, and I'm going to measure and pull some stuff apart, and we'll go from there. Okay, the first thing we want to do is measure this step. I'm just going to pull this forward. Just pull that off. Okay, I'm going to measure, see if we can measure from here, turn it around, get outside of there. Let's measure from here down to there on 9.38 millimeters. Got my pen. We have dink, dink, dink. So the first one will be from here to here. It's 9.38. Then see how thick this piece is. It's some more over here, so 3.3 mil. 3. Then let's put it back up. There you are. Okay. turn back to where you can see. So now what we need to know is the step from here. Turn this around again so we get the longer reach. There, 6.35. Okay. Yeah. So we should be able to make that work. So we will go inside and finish this design, and we'll get it set up in CAD. Okay, here we are. Yes, like I told you, this computer is barely capable. I mean, I had to wait a half hour to get this, just Fusion to get to load. But we can go ahead and just have to watch it this way. I might fast forward this part. But we'll see how this goes. Center point, rectangle. Let's go. See what we said this were 12, 24, 36. Let's go with 35 by 35. Tab 35. Think. 9. Okay, you guys just saw the parts get printed. Now the mount's done. It's actually the next day. I'm actually drove to the shop this morning because it's Monday now. Should have this video uploaded on Wednesday. So as you can see, there is the base of the mount. Doesn't move. You guys are actually attached to the other half, because now I can sit there and just stick it on and take it off. If I want to take it off and get out and show something, we can go do that. It just gives you options. Come on. So for a prototype, I'll say it's good. I will say though that there's probably some changes that I'll make to it. So it's not as notchy, because right now basically it's hard to get it to stay anywhere than where the magnets line up. So we'll make some changes. I'll probably just do a quick like 30-second or a minute video as an update to this once I get it figured out the exact way. But for first shot prototype, I'm happy with it. Well, I guess I'll end the video here. So like the video, subscribe, ring the bell, and let's get this channel growing.